This is the power of Android on Straight Talk, the no-contract, unlimited nationwide cell phone service that helps you feel richer by cutting your cell phone bill in half. And this is Android, the fastest-growing smartphone technology on the planet, for good reason. Example, the full touchscreen Samsung Galaxy President, the newest member of the Straight Talk family. It runs multiple apps at once and switches easily between them. Talk to your Samsung Galaxy President and let it dial phone numbers, launch apps, and more. Never miss a moment with its camera and video recorder. Android has the power to connect to Wi-Fi and Bluetooth with just a touch. Surf the web, or do some swipe texting. Let everyone know how easy it is to update your Facebook status with Straight Talk in the Samsung Galaxy President. Use Google Power to search for exactly what you need, whether it's a place, a person, or a price. And the easiest way to get there with turn-by-turn navigation, all with the touch of a finger. Browse through the Android market and find widgets, ringtones, or whatever you want. There are also thousands of music tracks to choose from, and Android apps are very quickly becoming the coolest there are. You can download and run Angry Birds, Facebook, Twitter, and thousands of other apps and games. Just download, then save it on the President's removable microSD card, and your favorite content will always be there with you when you need it. The Straight Talk Samsung Galaxy President is $149.88 without a contract, and that's fantastic. But what's even better is that Straight Talk's Unlimited Everything service is only $45 a month. And that's right, nationwide unlimited calling, texting, and 411, plus unlimited web access is only $45 a month. This is Straight Talk and Android. Available only at Walmart.